Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or delete comments posted by your viewers on YouTube through the YouTube Studio application. So let us guide you through it. Head over to YouTube and log into your account. And guys, what you will need to do is click into your channel icon in the top right corner of the display and access YouTube Studio application by clicking on YouTube Studio here. Inside your YouTube Studio, head over to the Community tab here on the left panel. And after that, go through comments that have been posted and published under your videos. For example, you may narrow down your search, for example, by looking for published or held comments or comments you haven't replied to yet or you have replied to. So let me go with this one here just for demonstration purposes. So to remove the given comment, guys, simply click into these three dots here, action menu, and select remove. And there you go. After that, the given comment will be deleted. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.